Have you ever asked yourself the question, who am I really negotiating with? Before we dive into the topic, please allow me to introduce myself. I am Giovanni Aquilanti, Business Development Director and Senior Trainer at CABL, a company specialized in negotiation and influencing. As outlined before, internal negotiations are as important as external negotiations. Today, we will keep learning about the RESONANT model, a pragmatic approach to internal negotiations. We will go through two additional elements. S stands for supervise and manage your internal stakeholders. Imagine a situation where you have market pricing going up by 10% and your internal stakeholders are expecting you to deliver a 30% price reduction. Unreasonable expectations are not that uncommon in business. In this case, we would advise to invite your internal stakeholder to one of your external meetings so that he or she can experience firsthand the market dynamics. Sometimes the issue lies with the person running the external negotiation, be it from procurement or sales. They may fail keeping the internal team updated on the negotiation developments. It's crucial not to surprise your internal partners with the outcome of your negotiation. In this case, make internal communication a priority. Book time in your calendar to send quick periodic updates to the whole cross-functional team within your organization. O stands for organize and prepare for your internal negotiations, using tools such as stakeholder mapping. A colleague of mine was in charge of a business allocation for contract manufacturing of a medical device. There were 3 vice presidents involved: supply chain, medical device, business unit franchise, that all believed they were the final decision makers on the project. In this case, creating a stakeholder mapping was very useful, not only to identify your supporters, potential blockers or sponsors, but also to go through their interests and priorities. This is a point that is often neglected. Dual vision, another fundamental concept of the negotiation theory that perfectly ties with internal negotiations too. How often did you go into an internal meeting trying to sell your point of view? We should be doing this, this, and this. Rather, you should be taking another approach, putting yourself in the shoes of your stakeholders and asking questions such as, I went through the project implications for your department, and this is what I believe might be your needs and your concerns. Am I missing anything? This approach will lead to much healthier internal negotiations and, down the line, better negotiation outcomes. We are now halfway through our RESONANT model as we've seen the first 4 elements. Recognize the challenges of internal negotiation. Envision how to deal with conflicting interests. Supervise and manage your internal stakeholders. Organize and prepare for your internal negotiations. Make sure, once again, to reflect on them based on your experience, and if not done yet, start practicing them as of tomorrow. Thank you very much for your attention. For more insights, please visit www.cabl.ch.